Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to connect your ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv 5A1 with your phone. So, I have my phone right here. I'll show you it so you will see something. And now we'll click Add Device. I'm already logged in onto the application ROBOROCK. Camera, cancel. And okay, I need to, so app permissions, camera, allow. And now I can scan the QR code, but I don't know where the QR code is, so I'll add manually. Yes, next, allow, open settings, okay, add Wi-Fi. And I'm going to search for it. Is this it? I think so. So let me just type in the password. Press and hold the power and dock button for 3 seconds until you hear the resetting Wi-Fi. Okay.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Did it. So next. Searching for device, please wait a while. Select the device, connect, and connection successful. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.